Keep it simple. By popular request, a full break-in retest from setup to secure profit. If you're trading a small account like me, this base hit plan is for you. We have some confluences, and first is the break. We also have a tap back into the 15-minute supply, and now we're waiting. We're using our superpower to wait for the sell signal, and this must be an engulfing candle or a 3-bar reversal on the 5-minute or 15-minute. Also, we've got our EMAs, which is also a confluence. If we hold below the 20 and the 50, so the price is moving forward or below. All right, so we've got our tap. Let's look at the 5-minute. If this ends in with a sell signal, which is a hammer, a push down, that could be good. So let's go to the 5-minute. We do have an engulfing candle here. We've got our 1, 2, 3-bar reversal. We're under the EMAs, and so we can go ahead and enter this trade. I like to go ahead and put my stop loss close by, get it ready. So that I don't have to, and if I scratch, it's okay, but I don't want to lose a whole lot. So what I'll do is put this above maybe the last candle. You don't want to risk too much. This is about a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. And once price leaves the zone, then we'll move our stop loss to break even. And we know that price could travel back up here into this gap, this fair value gap, so we'll see, before continuing down. Looks like we're leaving the zone, so let's go back to our trade and move our stop loss to break even. Maybe not. Oh wait, I thought it was leaving the zone. We'll just move it a little closer. This is the 1 minute, so it looks a little different. Okay. Now we're leaving the zone. All right, now we're gonna go out to our 5-minute and see where we should secure profit. Probably was right there. All right, and so now we are in a risk-free trade. Secured some profit. We've taken our one trade and we're done for the day. So that's the break and retest from setup to secure profit. It's a modest win, but small wins add up. Be sure to get the one-page trading plan. On your next practice trade, try this method. Let me know how it works for you. Remember, this works on all time frames. 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. Let me know how you use it. See you next time.